Welcome everyone, I am Sanjamdeep Singh, a student of class plus 1 non-medical, and in this video I am going to talk on the transient nature of life. The poem A Photograph in our English textbook is based on the three stages of life. Now we will explore and talk about its consequences. We are emotional beings. Because of some sort of instability in our nature, we have evolved some ill virtues like anger and short temperament. The nature we possess is the thing to love. We keep on cloning each other, duplicating and copying each other has become our main traits. Imagination is one of the necessary tools for any planning or learning objectives, but we can't accomplish anything only just by daydreaming. Hard work and dedication are also required. The humility and persistence is somewhere lost. Sometimes being inconstant with our mood poses problems. In some scenarios, we get so excited that we end up involving us in the difficulty. Being inconstant simply affects our endocrine system, basically the adrenaline.
Don't get so factual.
Okay, we'll manage. Slandering and showing off have now grown up. We never try to recognize our inner selves, and that's the real problem. We don't try to live in present. Sometimes we get saddened and emotional by remembering the past memories like some unforgettable moments, anybody's demise, or some lovely moments of our life. Then the question rises that do we yield anything out of it to make the better present? We keep on repeating the same events but don't try to learn from our previous mistakes. That is an irreversible truth which can't be mended. So why to have fear or anxiety about it, which comes to everyone, and it's a universal truth. This whole world and its arena is just one of the puppet play of the Transcendence Lord. In fact, we should utilize this time to gain knowledge and then to yield a very pleasing and favorable outcome from it. We don't show the inner depths of our heart to the society, and that's the major disadvantage of the human behavior. Sometimes we get extremely happy and start having joy, but a little contradicting moment is enough to change dilemma. So we should not take stress or to get short-tempered because it will majorly harm ourselves. Change is the need and we have that potential. One major trick to converting it into the realistic happenings is to do meditation. Emergence of spirituality helps in the birth of good virtues and also permits us to think broader. Apart from getting troubled in this wicked world, we should try to make connection with the omnipresent God because it will help us to relax and relieve our mind. When the soul gets nearer to the Lord, then it starts feeling Thine presence. We all are Homo sapiens, and if we start polishing our virtues, then we will take the initial steps towards flourishing our lives. So dear friends, thanks for watching. Happy learning.